Is your iPhone stuck on a lifeless black screen, leaving you in digital darkness? Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to bring it back to life. First, let's try a force restart, the equivalent of a digital reboot for most modern iPhones. This involves pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button. Then pressing and quickly releasing the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. If the force restart didn't work, it's time to connect your iPhone to a computer, either a Mac or a PC. Make sure you have the latest version of iTunes or Finder installed on your computer. On a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or later, open Finder. You should see your iPhone listed in the sidebar. If you're using an older Mac or a Windows PC, open iTunes. Your iPhone should appear as a small icon near the top of the window. Once your iPhone is recognized, you'll see options to update or restore. We're going to choose Restore iPhone. This process will erase all your data, but it's often the most effective way to resolve software glitches causing a black screen. Your computer will download the latest iOS software and then restore your device. Keep your iPhone connected throughout the process. Once it's finished, your iPhone will restart with a fresh installation of iOS, hopefully bringing that screen back to life. There you have it. Hopefully, these steps have banished your iPhone's black screen blues and you're back to enjoying your device. For more iPhone troubleshooting, subscribe to